and make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss a posting. I just stopped myself from sneezing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, as you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been doing my brows for the past few days. I got a new brow pencil. I'll be completely honest, I had not been using a brow pencil. I have this one that I got in my BoxyCharm for January, and I don't like this pencil. I hate this pencil. It is not the same color. It's not the right color. It's way too cool. It says that it's a universal brow pencil. I don't think they mean universal like anybody can use it, because anybody can't use this color. I think what they meant by universal was that you can do a few things with it. Like you can use it as a spoolie and don't have to use the pencil part, or you can use the pencil part as a liner, or I think that's probably what they meant by universal. I'm not gonna, this is not a universal. This is not good for everybody. So yeah, we're just gonna leave that at that. I don't like this pencil, so I don't use this pencil. But I just got the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio crayon texture pour sour. I don't even know what any of that means. Oh, it's in a different language. Okay, so this is the brow tint pen, and this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. I don't know how new this is. I'm really loving this. I definitely had to figure out how to use it. It benefits you to shake it. I will put that out there first and foremost. It definitely benefits you to give it a little shake as you're using it. But yeah, I'm just gonna zoom in so that you guys can see my brows, and I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing my brows for the past few days. This look has not been in any of my videos, I don't think, lately recently, because I've been doing this off camera, just trying to teach myself and trying to get it together and figure out how I like it, how I want it to be done. So of course, because I'm on camera, it might not work out the way that I want it to, but you'll get the point. You'll get the gist of where I'm going and what I'm trying to do with my brows. Okay, hello. So because I look so ridiculous, this is like really up close and personal, but I really want you guys to see what I'm doing with my brows. So because I have decided to, because I normally, my brows are so thick, I make, like when I go to do them, they come out super thick. So I very much tweeze them down. I need to get them waxed because you can see where everything happened. And I shape them. I have a brow shaper that I use to kind of clean them up. So I'm just gonna do that right now, kind of clean it up. So that's where we're at with that. My uneven skin, dark circles and everything. So next I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to just make sure that I like to make them kind of all stick up. Like that's my look, because I like the natural look. So sometimes I'll even push them to go that way and then up. If that makes sense. I'm pretty sure it doesn't, which is why I'm explaining everything instead of just, or this is why I'm doing it instead of just explaining it. So taking that pencil side, I mean, this is not something that I came up with. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before, but I like to take from where the lowest point is, probably about here, and I draw to the middle. Making sure to connect. And then I just kind of sketch where I want my brow to kind of curve and do everything, if that makes sense. So now that I've got that drawn, and I don't draw on the top because it just doesn't look natural to me, and I like the natural look of everything. So now going in with my Maybelline tattoo pencil. It's upside down. This is what it looks like, and it's in the shade 365. This is a deep brown, and I was really hesitant because I was thinking that this is what it was going to look like, which meant that it was going to kind of match that, but it doesn't. It's actually pretty dark, and it matches really well. So again, I like to shake it. I like to make sure that the product is coming down to the brush. It's very felt tip. I don't know if you guys can tell. It is a felt tip. There we go. So you can see that. And I just like to, starting like down here, just kind of fill that in. So you see that? And it dries down pretty quick. And it is very hair-like. And then just fill in my brows. And that's how I do my brows. So for the other side, it is a little difficult. I'm not gonna lie, it is always difficult to get the other side just because I'm right-handed and working on the left side can be a little difficult. So I just do the best I can. I kind of cross my hand across, bring my hand across my face like this, and kind of have it resting on my other arm, and just kind of work at it. So there we have it. Those are my brows. So next step, and you want to make sure you close that because you don't want it to dry out. So next step is taking my concealer. I'm going to be using my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 420 today because that's what I'm going to be concealing with. And I'm just going to, using the brush, the applicator, I'm going to wipe the excess off because you don't want a ton of product. And I'm just going to kind of line where I drew that line with the liner, the brow pencil, and just kind of making sure to keep it clean, using that line as a guide. And right away, I like to set it because I don't want it to start creasing. And that's how I do my brows. I'm going to do the other one off camera and do my face, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about it. So these are my brows after having eye makeup on, lashes on, and they look really good. I've been working really hard on trying to make sure that my lashes look great, good. I know my hair is not like anything special. I was putting on my makeup and then my dad called, and so I was like, and when my dad calls me, I lose all focus on everything. My dad is my best friend. So yeah, my hair didn't get done and I'm kind of in a rush. I'm supposed to be gone right now. I need to go get my son. I know I sound really irresponsible, but I'm a great mom. Okay, I promise I'm a great mom. He's fine. that sounded really bad. But yeah, I just wanted to finish this. I didn't want to have my makeup mess up or have the risk of something happening to my eyebrows, because that was the point of this video. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like with makeup on, some kind of makeup. I don't know what I was going with where I was going with this eye, but it actually turned out really nice. I like it. So yeah, we're going to just put on a hood so nobody can see our face and go get my son. But I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys like this look. If you guys like the eye look, let me know down in the comment section. I will do a tutorial on it because I'm actually in love with it. Yellow looks really good on me actually, so I'm loving it. If you guys like this look, let me know with a thumbs up. If you like how I did my eyebrows, if you have any tips for how I should do my eyebrows, please leave them down in the comment section. I am more than welcome to hearing advice and suggestions on how I should be doing my eyebrows, because I am not the best at it, but I'm working on it, and I think I'm doing pretty good. So let me know. Thanks for watching. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.